Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial in AutoCAD. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create and insert block in AutoCAD. So if you go to your ribbon panel, you can see this is the block category here, and you can insert block from this symbol and you can start creating block from this one. You can start editing block from block editor, and this is for attributes. So I will make you understand in the next tutorial. And also you can go from insert tab and start creating and writing blocks. So creating block is a block that creates a block definition from selected object, and this is the right block, and it saves selected object or converts a block to a specified drawing file. So first we need to create a block of any object or furniture or anything. So I'm going to type B on my command panel, and you can also start making blocks from typing shortcut B on your command panel. So I am going to draw any object. Suppose I am going to draw a table here of any size, and I am going to make a chair all around, and I am going to copy this side and also this side. So this is suppose table with chair, and it can be any dining table, and I will expand this. So now I need to create a block of this. So these all are different lines, and these all are polyline chair, and this table is also a polyline. So we need to create a group by creating a block of this, so it will be easy to work in our drawing area. So I am going to type B on my command panel here, B block, and now this window will be opened, and this is the block definition. So you can rename your block here. So I am going to rename this as a dining. Suppose I am going to rename as a dining table, and now it is asking base point, specify on screen, and pick point. So you are required to pick a point for your block, and this is the XYZ coordinates. You can leave default or you can enter coordinates value here, but no need, we will leave it default. And now I am going to pick a pick point here, and this is the first stage, and you can pick any point on left side, right side, or top left or top right. So I'm going to click here, and now this stage is cleared, and this is at XYZ coordinate. This value has come here, and now this is the settings for a block unit. If you want in inches, feet, miles, millimeters, you can change it from here. For this project is in inches, and this is a hyperlink. And if you click this, you can go to your any web page or file. You can type the name of web page, and you can insert block from this web link also, any furniture, and you can start making block. So this is for object, and now you are required to select object, and it is showing this error, no object is selected. We have not selected any object, but we have selected pick point. Now after that you are required to select objects. So by default it is convert to block is selected here, and this one is delete, and this one is retain. I will make you understand each one, and we will leave this allow exploding uncheck here for timing. And now I am going to select this one, convert to block, and I am going to select object here. We'll click this one, and now I will select all the object here. You can select simultaneously by left to right, and now I am going to enter, and now we will leave this setting like this, convert to block, and this is all is unchecked. I am going to click OK, and now these all are in group. You can start copying this object, and you can use in your drawing area. So this is the method of creating blocks. So there are many other functions in block. So I'm going to click again B on my command panel, and now I'm going to this time to retain my block. So we need to create any other furniture here. So I am going to create another example. So this time I am going to make a round table here, and I will make a round chair also here, suppose, and I will copy this. I'll copy this to this side, and I will copy this to this side. Suppose this is any table with chairs, and irrespective of this size I am going to create another example of block. So I'm going to hit B on my command panel, and now we can write round table. Anything you can name, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to pick my point here, pick point, and I'm going to pick center. And now this unit is in inches. And now in the last function we have selected this one, convert to block. Now I am going to select this one, retain, and we will leave this setting unchecked. And now I am going to click OK. So no object same selected, so we are required to select object first, and I'm going to select all my object here, and now I'm going to enter, and you can also select from this one. So I will click OK and see what happens. So these all objects are like previous, only not in group. These all are a different identity. But if you go to your insert tab here, and if you click this dining table, and this is the round table just now we have created, I am going to insert this one again, and now it will be in a block, but the original table and chair on our screen will be retained like this previously. And the insert command, you can insert your block like this. So now I'm going to my third example, and I will create any other like benches here, and I will quickly create table and bench here, and now I am going to make a block of this. So I am going to enter B on my command panel, and now I am going to write table and bench. So now I'm going to pick my point here. I will pick this one, and unit will be same. And now I am going to select this object here, and now I will select this one, delete. So what will happen? So I'm going to select this delete, and now I'm going to select object, and I'm going to select this one and this bench here, and I'm going to enter, and now I'll click OK, and our block is deleted. This object, original object, is deleted, but no need to worry. This is the basic function of block. And again, if you go to your insert and insert block, you can insert easily from this one, table and benches, but the original object from the screen will be deleted. So I'm going to select this table and benches, and you can insert this one also. So this is the methods of creating blocks. So I'm going to again enter B here, and now I will select this default, convert to block, and again and now I am going to select this one, scale uniformly, and this is allow exploding, so you can explode your objects back to original. So I am going to click OK. So now you are required to select the object which we want to scale uniformly. So I am going to select this one, table and benches, and I will use this one, scale uniformly and allow exploding. I will click OK, and I will redefine block, and now we can double click on this and we can start editing or table and benches. And if you can remove this, if you want to remove this bench, and can close this block editor, save the changes to, and this changes will be applied to this block also. Now I will show you some more settings. So I am going to create any object again, and this time I am going to make a square table and a square chair here, and I will copy all this here and here and here. So now I will show you some more settings in block creation. So I am going to my insertion tab here, and I am going to click this insert block, and I am going to click this is the recent blocks, and you can blocks from libraries also you can insert. So I'm going to my recent blocks which we have created just now. So you can see our square table, table and benches, round table and dining table, and you can see some insertion option which is in the higher version of AutoCAD like 2020-21. You can see this kind of setting, and in the lower version you can go to more option and start making this kind of setting. So this is the insertion point which is checked, and this is for changing the scale. So you can see there are some inform scale, you can select this inform scale also, and I'm going to make uniform scale, and I'm going to make 2 here, and I'm going to rotate this rotation angle, I'm going to make 45 here, and now I'm going to insert this square table here which we have created here, and I'm selecting this square table and I'm bringing this one, and you can see this is our square table which is double the size of this square table, and also it is rotated at 45 degree to this original one. You can see this is larger in scale, so we have selected uniform scale to just double up this, and rotation 45, so it is at 45. So you can use this kind of settings in your block creation and insert block, and same applies to this one also. I am going to select this, and I am going to now select a scale here, and I am going to make X direction as 2, Y direction as 4, and Z direction as 3, and angle at 45, and I am going to select this one, and you can see the changing in the scale to this one. You can see the difference, the X direction is different, Y direction is different, and Z direction is different. But if you select uniform scale, it will scale uniformly like this one. So likewise you can use this block creation and insert block in your AutoCAD drawing, and you can start creating your floor plans and elevations or sections using this block creation. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topic in AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.